Display is lit up, but pressing the power button does nothing? If your Ninja Swirl looks alive but won't respond, here's how to troubleshoot it before calling support. Step 1. Wait a few seconds before pressing. After plugging in, the system takes a moment to fully boot. Press the power button firmly after 5 to 10 seconds, not immediately. Step 2. Press and hold briefly. Tapping the power button too quickly may not register. Hold it down for 1 full second and release. If that doesn't work, unplug and try again. Step 3. Check the lid and handle alignment. The machine won't activate if the lid and swirl press aren't perfectly locked and the handle isn't fully lowered. Reassemble slowly and make sure the handle clicks into place. Step 4. Clean around the power button and panel. Grease, dust, or sticky mix can block button sensors. Wipe down the control panel with a soft cloth or brush, especially around the edges of the buttons. Step 5. Try a different outlet with a surge protector. If the unit gets power but malfunctions, inconsistent voltage could be the cause. Plug into a different outlet using a surge-protected power strip and try again. If none of these steps work, you may have a faulty power button or internal control board issue. The support link in the description can help you get replacement parts or repair info. If this helped bring your Swirl back to life, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance fixes. And if sticky residue around the panel was part of the problem, we've linked a soft cleaning brush below that makes it easy to keep those buttons working like new. Thanks for watching, and power on smooth.